Scalded by Operation Sindoor and parched with India's water war, Pakistani motor mouths keep provoking India. Former Pakistan Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari has now issued a direct threat to India over Indus water. But Bilawal didn't stop at India, but threatened to set the world on fire. A repeat of Pakistan Army Chief Munir's nuclear blackmail.
इस मुल्क के अवाम में इतना ताकत है कि जंग की सूरत हो तो जंग में भी हम इनका मुकाबला कर सकते हैं और जो आपके 6 के 6 दरिया है वो वापस हासिल भी कर सकते हैं। मोदी सरकार को बताना चाहेंगे कि हम पीछे नहीं हटते, हम झुकते ही नहीं हैं।
Munir's brazen nuclear threat made on US soil while attending a dinner gala in the US, New Delhi has hit back hard at the Pakistani Army Chief's remarks. While reaffirming commitment to national security at all costs, India, cutting across party lines, added that there will be no tolerance for reckless blackmail.
यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स की सरजमीन में बैठकर वो भारत को न्यूक्लियर थ्रेट दे रहे हैं और बिल्कुल ही एक सड़क छाप आदमी की तरह की जबान इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। तो हमारा मानना यह है कि एक पॉलिटिकल मोदी गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से एक पॉलिटिकल रिस्पांस आना चाहिए। इसे एमईए का स्टेटमेंट आया।
While US President Donald Trump has been silent, former Pentagon official Michael Rubin saw an Osama bin Laden in Asim Munir.
Asim Munir is Osama bin Laden in a suit. The fact of the matter is, there is no amount of concession that can be given to Pakistan that is going to change the ideology of Asim Munir or the Pakistani elite which he represents.
Pakistan, meanwhile, scored a major diplomatic boost in the US. The Trump administration added the Baloch Liberation Army to the list of global terror group. The Baloch fighters have been battling the oppressive Pakistan rule and its numerous war crimes. The only question that remains, who will stand with India when it counts the most?
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.